I purchased the cheapest Mercedes W201 in Turkey. I plan to restore the vehicle to the best possible state and show you the process. Let's begin. The car is a 1984 190D. It has a glorious 2-liter naturally aspirated inline 4-cylinder diesel engine, with the engine code OM 601.911. This engine produces a maximum power of 71 brake horsepower and it has a 0 to 100. Yes, it reaches 100 kilometers per hour in 18.1 seconds. The power is transmitted to the road by the rear-wheel drive with a 4-speed manual gearbox. The car is 1984 model year and it is in pretty bad condition. There is rust in various places. The car is modified by a butcher with the cheapest and the ugliest door panels, seat covers and window tints. The previous owner decided to make a cigarette ash collection in the car. This is going to be a very challenging restoration project. My goal is to revert it to its original state as possible. I started by trashing most of the retrofits. I got rid of the seat covers, the door panels and pretty much anything that looks out of place. This is a short introduction video. In every video I will share the costs and the do-it-yourselves. I hope you will enjoy my journey to bring this modern classic back to life. Here is what I spent so far. The car cost $5,409 with the sales costs. Then, another $249 for the mandatory insurance. I got a new battery for $129, for new tires for $193, and rust stopper for $26. The total so far is $6,007. I will try to keep it under $10,000. See you in the next video.